This video is to help you understand how to navigate the diversity course for online students. In this class, we have a website that shows you the syllabus links, and you click on the syllabus link here, and you see you have a syllabus for the course. And you can open up the syllabus, and you need to read it very, very carefully. It shows you the learning outcomes and the student responsibilities. And it points out that you have to write a paper each week and submit it to the assignment box in the course. The assignment box is up here in the nav bar. This gray bar is called the nav bar, and that's where you submit your assignments. It says each week you'll have one paper due. I do drop the lowest grade. There are 33 articles in the Ochmanowitz book, but you have to write on 9 or 10. That is, if you only write on 9, one per week, then you do get a 0 for the one you don't do, but that's dropped. So you can afford to answer only 9. If you answer 10, then I drop the lowest grade. So what you do is you go up to the assignment box, click on that, and as you can see, there are links to all the reflection papers that we have due. And you also can see the due dates for those. Now each one of these is open for 1 week, the week between the time it opens and the time you have to submit it. You have to submit it on a Monday night by 11:59 p.m. In order to see what you have to do, you go to the home page, go back to the home page, and you look at these links here. So, for example, this week we have Reflection Essay 6 that you're going to have to write in. So if you click on that, you see an advanced organizer for Reflection Essay 6. You click on that, and you see that the window opened on the February 12th, and it closes next Monday, February 19th. And here's the grading rubric for the assignment. So you open that up, click on that, and you see that it is on Peggy McIntosh's White Privilege, Unpacking the Invisible Knapsack. And this explains what you have to answer. These are the specific questions you have to answer in your reflection paper. All right, so you write a brief paper in which you directly answer these questions. And if you do precisely what is asked here, you should get a 7.5 or close to it. Now, of course, that translates to an 8.33 because you only have to do 9 essays. And if you multiply 9 times 8.33, the perfect score for each one, you get 75 points, and that's the value of your reflection papers. So then you go to assignments, and you go to the assignment box for reflection paper 6. You click on that, and it allows you to upload your essay to the assignment box where I will grade it. And then when you click on assignments later or grades, you will see how you did on that. Okay, so that's 75% of your grade are those reflection papers. Now you also have a Harvard IAT essay that's due on April the 9th and a bonus essay on national and international diversity that is actually a quiz, and you'll see that in the quiz box. It's not really in the assignment box. It's a quiz here, and that will be available in April, but that's for bonus points. The Harvard IAT essay, which is due on April the 9th, is in the assignment box, and that is worth 25% of your grade. In order to find out about that, you simply go to the content browser again, and you click on Harvard IAT essay, and here's some information about your Harvard IAT exam. It tells you exactly what you need to do for that. And it also gives you a rubric, a grading rubric. If you click on that, you can see exactly what you need to do in order to answer the question. Now this is a little confusing, so let me explain this real quick. Here is a link to the Harvard test where you can select, let me click on that. You select a particular type of exam measuring your implicit social attitudes. So you open that up, and then you say, I wish to proceed, and you choose one of these categories. I don't care which one you choose. You only choose one. If you choose, for example, well, let's say Arab Muslim, it opens up a link to the exam, and the exam tests you on your implicit assumptions regarding Arabs and Muslims, as opposed to everybody else. You get a page of results to that test. I never see that. I never see your results from this test. But you take the test, you print out that page, and then you use that page in order to, let's go back, you use that in order to take the exam, which is in the assignment box. Now we go to the assignments, and you click on the assignment, and you see a link to the assignment box for the Harvard IAT exam. You can also go to content, and if you go to content, there's a description of the Harvard IAT test here, which even includes a video. So this tells you what you need to do for the Harvard IAT test, what kind of essay you need to write for the Harvard IAT test. And the podcast also tells you how long it needs to be. Once you've typed that up, then you upload that to the assignment box here in the nav bar. And there you have it. That's all you do for the assignments for the course. Now again, there is a bonus quiz at the end of the course, but that's a very simple assignment. You don't have to do it, but if you do it, you may qualify for a few bonus points. Let me know if you have any questions.